I'm going to be digging up my pink gypsies because I'm a bit concerned that they have, hang on, let me zoom in. They may have blight. They don't look very good or whatever. Yeah, look. The stem is going there. So these are going to get dug up the whole 2 rows today. So I'm going to get on with that and then I'll show you what I get out of it. It's closing up now, but this morning I came down and there was a flower on okra. Stupid fuck. I just tried to video with the bloody lens shutter on. Came down this morning, there's a flower on my okra and it was so beautiful, but it's closing up now. Where's it gone? There. It's really pretty. Zoom out. Zoom out. There we go. There's my pink gypsy main crop harvest. I'm really happy with that. Got some decent sized potatoes there. Some small ones, like them. I'll use those as little salad potatoes. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. Yay! Look at today's harvest! Get off, there's a fly on my cauliflower. I've got cauliflower, cabbages, potatoes. Look at the size of these beetroots. Huge. Chard. Hello. So earlier on in the video, which was for me actually yesterday, you saw me dig up my what are they called? Pink gypsy. That's it, pink gypsy potatoes. And when I got home, I did weigh them. I only have a set of little kitchen scales, so I had to do them a little bit at a time and then add it all together. But we have a little competition. There's no prize. It's just a bit of fun. So from the early video where you saw the potatoes all laid out on the ground, how much do you think that weighed? Put it in the comments down below, and in the next video I will tell you who was the closest. Good luck!